Welcome back to Cars and Auto. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 BMW M3, a next-generation performance sedan that takes speed, handling, and technology to the next level. With more power, cutting-edge features, and enhanced driving dynamics, is this the best M3 ever? Let's find out. 1. Exterior design. Bold, aggressive, and aerodynamic. Footage. Close-up of the redesigned grille, headlights, side profile, and rear diffuser. The 2026 BMW M3 comes with an even more aggressive and aerodynamic design, featuring a refined kidney grille, now sleeker and aerodynamically optimized. Slim matrix LED headlights with laser technology, improving night visibility. A wider stance with sculpted body lines, enhancing stability and performance. New 20-inch forged alloy wheels, reducing weight while improving grip. A redesigned carbon fiber rear diffuser and quad exhausts, giving it a powerful presence. BMW has fine-tuned every detail to make the M3 look faster, sharper, and more aggressive than ever. 2. Interior. A high-tech driver's paradise. Footage. Digital cockpit, premium leather seats, ambient lighting. Step inside the 2026 BMW M3, and you'll find a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and race-inspired design. A fully digital 14.9-inch curved infotainment display, running BMW's latest iDrive 10 system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with 5G connectivity for seamless updates. M-carbon bucket seats, wrapped in premium merino leather and Alcantara. A heads-up display HUD with real-time performance stats and navigation. Ambient lighting with customizable colors, creating a futuristic cabin experience. The interior of the M3 is designed to keep you comfortable, connected, and in control. 3. Engine and performance. More power than ever. Footage. Engine bay, acceleration clips, track driving shots. The 2026 BMW M3 raises the bar in performance with even more power and better efficiency. A 3.0L Twin-Turbo Inline-6 engine, now delivering 560 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque. Available in rear-wheel drive (RWD) and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive (AWD). A new 8-speed automatic transmission, with quicker shifts and launch control. 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds, making it the fastest M3 ever built. Optional plug-in hybrid version, boosting power beyond 600 horsepower with instant electric torque. With razor-sharp handling and instant acceleration, the M3 remains the ultimate driving enthusiast's dream. 4. Handling and driving dynamics, built for the track and street. Footage. Car drifting, cornering, high-speed stability tests. The 2026 M3 isn't just about power, it's about precision and control. BMW has engineered it for maximum performance with Adaptive M Suspension, adjusting in real time for different road conditions. M Dynamic Mode (MDM), allowing controlled drifts and sharper cornering. Upgraded carbon ceramic brakes, ensuring precise stopping power. M Drift Analyzer, helping drivers track and improve their drifting skills. Active rear wheel steering, enhancing agility in tight turns. Whether you're on the highway or the racetrack, the M3 delivers an unmatched driving experience. 5. New technology, smarter and more connected. Footage. BMW's advanced AI features, voice commands, self-parking demonstration. BMW has packed the 2026 M3 with cutting-edge technology, making it smarter and safer. AI-powered voice assistant, allowing hands-free control of navigation, music, and climate. Advanced driver assist features, including semi-autonomous driving on highways. 360-degree camera with parking assist, making tight spots effortless. Augmented reality navigation, displaying directions on the windshield HUD. Over-the-air OTA software updates, keeping your M3 up to date with the latest features. With this level of technology, the M3 is not just fast, it's intelligent and futuristic. 6. Competition model, even more extreme. Footage. M3 competition model details, exclusive design elements, track-focused upgrades. For those who crave even more performance, BMW is offering the M3 competition model, featuring a tuned 3.0L engine producing 610 horsepower. Carbon fiber Aero kit, reducing weight and increasing downforce. track-focused suspension, delivering sharper handling. Exclusive interior trims, with Alcantara and lightweight materials. This is the ultimate version of the M3, built for serious enthusiasts who demand the best. 7. Price and release date. What to expect. Footage. M3 showroom shots, price breakdown. The 2026 BMW M3 is expected to start at $80,000, with the competition model reaching $95,000. BMW plans to launch it by early 2026, with pre-orders opening in late 2025. Closing scene. BMW M3 accelerating, cars and auto branding. So, what do you think about the all-new 2026 BMW M3? Is it the best M3 ever made? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cars and Auto for the latest car updates. See you in the next video.